Common mistakes businesses make. When optimizing for AI search engines, often making decisions before they even visit your website. Many companies still rely on outdated SEO tactics, missing out on the new rules of visibility. Common mistakes include ignoring off-site mentions, failing to structure content clearly, and neglecting trust signals like reviews and certifications. AI tools now pull answers from across the web. So if your brand isn't mentioned in affiliate reviews or expert roundups, you risk being left out entirely. Overloading pages with keywords or presenting information in messy formats also hurts your chances. To stay ahead, focus on creating content that's easy for AI to summarize, build strong trust signals, and monitor where your brand appears in AI-generated answers. Avoid these pitfalls to ensure your business stands out in the age of AI search.
Please share and like. It helps us get the word out and makes the algorithm really happy. Check us out at advertisemybusiness.com.